Today we'll talk about how can you access this camera on your home app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, just go down, click on profile down here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on additional settings, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just click here on system permissions management here. So then you come to next step here, click here on accesses camera here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on permissions here, just click on it. You come to next step here, then you click here on camera here. You click here on allow only we're using the app here. So then it's going to access with your camera on your Mi Home app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.